3. Link turbos that controls lifting of the header and the other end of the header's turbo 3 contacts. 4. Link turbos that control lifting of the wheel and the other end of the unloading turbo 3 contacts. 5. Link the other way of 4-way valves with the cylinder back to the field machine. 6. The previous parts that control stepless operation are remaining. 6. Installation of the header. 1. First, install the support of the driving platform. 2. Lift the header and make the supporting plate insert into the seat of the front moving frame. Link hooks on the top of the header and those on top of the front frame. 7. Installation of the big conveyor. 1. Lift the conveyor to reasonable height and insert from hatch of the driving platform. If the hatch size is too small, then gas cutting can be done on the spot. 2. Link the conveyor seat with the supporting plate of the front frame back screws. 3. Link the two conveyor plates with the bed plate. Warning: use crane during installation of conveyors to prevent machine and body injury. 8. Installation of transmission belt. 1. First, fix the transmission box on the right frame. Use the pole to mark surface of the belt wheels of the transmission box and back to the field machine. 2. Install titanium wheel frame on the right side. 3. Change 3-slot belt wheels to 4-slot belt wheels at the central shaft of the weight harvester. 4. Then install 4 pieces of V-belts C2957 on the central belt wheels and the transmission box belt wheels separately. Note: lengths of the V-belts are different according to different models. 5. Install 4 pieces of C-type V-belts on the transmission box belt wheels and back to the field machine belt wheels. 6. Install titanium wheels. 7. Link the second distribution auger and the transition shaft by 128-1 and 145 chains. 8. Link header central shaft and the main transmission chain wheels of the big conveyor by chains and install titanium wheels. 9. Link chain wheels of transition box and main transmission box by chains and install titanium wheels. Note: during installation of transmission system, a spare mat can be used to adjust the transmission surface of back to the field machine and central shaft. 4.